Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. But first of all, I just want to say hello to Sierra England. Well, first let me answer real quick. I have a lot of people that that's been emailing me, and what's going on is that they don't know what to do now, and I'm still trying to think on how to help them out. I mean, it's just, I always said it on all my videos that trucking is not for everybody, and you just gotta hold on, because there's a lot of people that that's already joined, already driving, already with the mentors, and they just trying to get out. And then what I keep saying is you have to, you have to stay just stay with the company and just hold on. You just have to get your experience first. You can't just walk out like that, unless if a company will just put you to train with their rest of their staff or mentors, of course. But it's gonna be hard. So I always said it, just stay the first couple months, the first at least 3 months, and then from there you decide what you want to do. Because I mean, everybody just complaining about the pay. Everybody's complaining about the mentors. Everybody's complaining. I mean, it's tough. It's really tough. I know it's tough, and I did it, and it can be done. I'm telling you, it can be done. It can be done. Right now, I'm looking for a container out here, and this is a Swift and Sierra England drop yard. Yeah, Sierra England is everywhere. Yeah, them people, they everywhere. Yeah, we got the reefer. That's all we did with Sierra English, nothing but reefers. Yeah. But yeah, peoples, I mean, just again, guys, thanks for the comments. Thank you for having me as your mentor. I know there's a lot of people that want to hey Joey, can you be my trainer? When can we meet? No, it's not like that, man. It's not like that. I don't train. But I can tell you what to do, I will tell you what to do and where to begin, where to, give you the steps and thoughts and anything that I could do, man. Anything that I can just get you positive and get your mind straight, so you will just keep moving forward and don't quit, man. Because we're not quitters, all right? We don't quit. All right, my families and friends. And I've been enjoying the weather. I did took some time off, and I'm just back on the road. So let me say it real quick. God bless you all. We love you all. Thank you for watching. If you need an answer, I got a question. I mean, if you need me to tell you what to do, or hey man, don't hesitate. Email me, Joey at dronesourworldsky at gmail.com. I will have it down on the link below. So be safe, my friends. Love ya.